Welcome to JLPT N5 Kanji Accelerator. The JLPT N5 Kanji Accelerator uses a systematic storytelling method to assist you in passing the JLPT N5. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of our Kanji Accelerator videos. In this video, you will be introduced to gate, ear, listen, ask, sun, and space. This is the kanji for gate. The kanji for gate is made up of a radical meaning gate. There is no other component. The kanji for gate can be remembered as a stylized picture of a gate. For example, a Japanese temple gate. Again, the kanji for gate. Quick review. Radical meaning gate. Gate. This is how you write the kanji for gate. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for ear. The kanji for ear is made up of a radical meaning ear. There is no other component. The kanji for ear can be remembered as a stylized picture of an ear. Again, the kanji for ear. Quick review. Radical meaning ear. Ear. This is how you write the kanji for ear. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for listen. The kanji for listen is made up of a radical meaning ear and a component that can be remembered as gate. The kanji for listen can be remembered as someone listening with their ear at a gate. For example, a guard at a gate listening for people approaching. Again, the kanji for listen. Quick review. Radical meaning ear. Component meaning gate. Listen. This is how you write the kanji for listen. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for ask. The kanji for ask is made up of a radical meaning mouth and a component that can be remembered as gate. The kanji for ask can be remembered as a guard at the gate asking a person's name. For example, a guard at the gate asking a person's name. Again, the kanji for ask. Quick review. Radical meaning mouth. Component meaning gate. Ask. This is how you write the kanji for ask. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for sun. The kanji for sun is made up of a radical meaning sun. There is no other component. The kanji for sun can be remembered as a stylized picture of the sun. For example, a midday sun. Again, the kanji for sun. Quick review. Radical meaning sun. Sun. This is how you write the kanji for sun. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for space. The kanji for space is made up of a radical meaning gate and a component that can be remembered as sun. The kanji for space can be remembered as a space in an open gate where you can see the sun. For example, the sun shining through an open gate. Again, the kanji for space. Quick review. Radical meaning gate. Component meaning sun. Space. This is how you write the kanji for space. Please note the stroke order. With a simple review of this video, you can easily differentiate between these kanji. We strongly recommend that you practice writing these kanji. Writing the kanji will help you to remember them. We also recommend that you use different colors. To distinguish the radical from the components. Thank you for watching. Tap on the next video to learn more with Kanji Accelerator. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.